Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you are all fine. So in this video I wanted to discuss with you why you should not deal with many languages and why you have to spend time in specific languages for a specific period. Okay, so guys, if you want to master something, you just have to spend time and deal with something. For example, you want to master JavaScript, not just to learn JavaScript. It's a big difference learning something and mastering something. When you are mastering something, it means that you know it very, very well. So if you want to master JavaScript, you have to focus on JavaScript, okay? If you want to master React, you have to focus on React. If you want to master node.js, you have to focus on node.js. Just spend time in these things, and very soon you will realize that you will become very, very good in these things. Now, if you are going to deal with many languages, learning JavaScript, then learning Python, then learning what else? PHP. This is not going to work. I'm listening many guys. Oh damn it! A truck right now is coming. So I'm listening many dudes who are saying that it's easy moving from one language to another language. Yes, when you have the knowledge of one language, sometimes it's not difficult. But believe me guys, you will not master a language. You are going to have some knowledge about one language, some knowledge about the other language. This is what you want to do, to have general knowledge. I know that a lot of companies demand and want many things. They want from you to know React, to know MySQL, to know MongoDB, to know PHP, to know what else, to know Python. These dudes are absolutely idiots. This is how the real world works, guys. No one knows all these kind of things. Keep it in mind, alright? Even a professional who has many years of experience doesn't know all these kind of things, believe me. When I remember when I was searching for job, I knew only JavaScript, a couple of things, HTML and CSS, and I was telling to myself, how idiot I am. I don't know all these kind of things that the companies want from me. So I'm useless. I have to read more and more in order to learn all of this. It's impossible, guys, to learn all these kind of things. Believe me. Someone's gonna tell me, okay, how I'm gonna find job? There are some free sites, guys. You can just try and learn freelancing, okay? It's not easy freelancing. Learn. How I started web development for hobby, guys, and I'm just doing it for hobby because my primary job is electrical engineer. Alright, we are gonna make tutorials for electricity, but later. I'm just doing web development for hobby, and I'm working as freelancer, web developer, but only on specific things. What things? JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React, node.js, MongoDB. Only things, all this. Only with only these things you can cover the full stack. Okay, but I'm good in these things. I'm not the best, but I'm pretty good. Pretty good. And why I don't want to learn another things? When you are going to learn another things, you are going to be confused, guys. Believe me. Let me tell you something. You learn something, for example, in JavaScript, and then after learning it, you try something else in Python, let's say, okay, for a month, and you don't touch JavaScript. What is gonna happen? You learn some things about Python, the other things about Python, and you forget JavaScript. Someone is gonna tell me this happened to everyone. Yes, but if you deal with many languages, you are getting confused. Get stuck in specific things. Do you want to become a Python developer? Stay focused on Python. Spend time, for example, 1 year in Python, and then start learning something else. But don't stay focused in other things for a long time, because you will forget the previous things. This is the reason that I choose to stay focused on JavaScript. Of course, you understand, guys, you need CSS. Okay, without CSS, there is no web development. Alright. And believe me, JavaScript is amazing. Personally, I believe that you should get stuck on JavaScript. JavaScript is the king of web development, and without JavaScript there is no websites. Okay, it's everywhere. I'm just gonna tell you something. It's like food without salt. This makes sense to you right now. Okay, that was, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time, next tutorial. Have a nice day.